I'm Heather Haynes, the president of Sanger Altgelt Insurance. I would say a lot of people will jump at the cheapest option out there. I get the same mailers that a lot of people get saying, I can save you half of your insurance price, click here or join my company. And a lot of times what they're offering you is half of the coverage. So while saving money is obviously a top priority for everyone, you want to make sure what you're getting when you're saving that money. You want to review your insurance coverage annually, of course, but then you also want to think about your insurance anytime you have a big change in your life, which could be a marriage, a divorce, obviously a move, or say something like a 16-year-old getting a driver's license. Those are times that you want to review what you've got and make sure that you've got the right coverage. I think a lot of people think about hail damage as being covered, and depending on what type of coverage and policy you have, the damage from a hailstorm, for example, if you have a metal roof and your roof just gets dinged up but is not actually leaking, your policy may or may not cover that depending on what type of policy you have. So with all of the storms that we're having in Texas, all the insurance companies are changing how they cover that, so you do want to pay attention to that specific risk for your home. An umbrella policy provides an extra layer of liability coverage for you and for your family. So what an umbrella does is it sits on top of your auto liability and your personal liability for your home. So usually those start at $1 million worth of coverage, and the premium, the dollars you pay for that, is usually hundreds of dollars. So a lot of people don't buy this extra coverage, but if you have a catastrophic event in a vehicle where there's attorneys involved, or something in your home where someone gets very badly injured, an umbrella policy will protect you from that catastrophic loss, and the price is so small compared to the extra limits of coverage that you get that I think a lot of people overlook it. I would recommend honestly reviewing your insurance policies and coverages with an independent insurance agent. An independent agent like Sanger Altgelt and other independent agencies represent multiple insurance companies. So you're not dealing with a direct writer who handles only one type of policy. An independent agent can give you comparisons between different insurance companies, and that way you can pick what matters to you and your family and make your choice based on pricing and coverage options that work for you.